What's going on, guys? Gabe here with Webull again. What are we doing? Well, we're reviewing Webull. More importantly, I'm going to show you how to hack the RSI so you have a 50 band. Now, I know a lot of you are like, well, Gabe, what's the importance of 50 band? I mean, we're taught that when the RSI is above 70, it's an overbought condition. When it's below 30, it's an oversold condition. But the 50 marker is a great visual cue to better understand what's happening with the stock. And I'm really surprised that Webull does not have a 50 band by default. So how do we get that 50 band? Well, first and foremost, we want to make sure that we have the Windows HTML version, not the native desktop 4.0 version. You could install the iOS version, and it will allow you to edit or enter the script editor. The 4.0 version does not allow that. Okay, so now that we're here, what are we doing? Well, first and foremost, what we're going to do is copy the script. So I simply hit Control C. We're going to create a blank script, Control V. We're going to copy band 1 here. So again, Control C, and then let's paste a duplicate of band 1 above band 1, except we're going to rename the new band 2, and we're going to leave everything the same. Now, band 1, we see H line here. We're going to change that to 50, and we're going to rename the title from upper band to 50 band. That's simple. Okay, now I like my my charts to really pop. So what I'm going to do is change the color of the 50 line to red. So in order to do that, it's FF and then 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now line style. Webull allows for different line styles. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean here. So we simply type in H line and we see there is a dashed, a dotted, a solid. I'm going to change this to a dashed line, so it is no longer a dotted line. Now I'm going to hit save, and I'm simply going to rename this RSI 50. Hit save, and then we are going to apply it to chart. So now we can exit out of here. And now I have two RSI charts. We have the default chart here, and then we have the custom RSI indicator here. So why do I have this line? Anything above 50, the RSI is telling you that when you are above 50, there are more gains than losses, and when you are below 50, there are more losses than gains. And having that 50 line will allow you to make those spitfire decisions on whether you're going to go long or you're going to go short, or if you're trying to figure out an entry point. So we look at the RSI and then we confirm it with the MACD. So we could see that the MACD line crossed over the signal line and we were in an upward trend. It crossed below the signal line and now we are in a downward trend. But interesting enough, even though we are in a downward trend, the RSI is still above 50. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Having this 50 line, how do you think it confirms, or maybe it doesn't help at all, but just let me know in the comment section below. This is Gabe with Webull. I am signing out, and let's go make some money today. Peace.